jealousy always gets you in trouble. One of the most intelligent dinosaurs to have ever walked on the earth were troodons. Their big brains made them the most sought after problem solvers amongst all the dinosaurs. Troodons were consulted over everything, from nest and cave locations to medications and herbs. This made some of the other dinosaurs feel very jealous. So one evening, they decided to set a trap to eliminate the troodons. On a routine walk after a meal, the troodons came across an area that looked a little off. So they decided to investigate it. Thanks to their stereoscopic vision and intelligence, they figured the trap and saw the jealous dinosaurs hiding close by. By pretending to have fallen for the trap, they let the overjoyed jealous dinosaurs approach the trap themselves and managed to push them all inside instead. Stuck in their own trap, they all begged for forgiveness, having learned their lesson. The new leader. Everyone in the forest decided it was time for him to have one common forest leader. It was decided that a competition would be held and the winner would be declared leader. Scores of dinosaurs decided to participate. Everyone wanted to be the leader, but none knew what the competition would be like. On the day of the competition, they were all asked to fly and get a golden egg from the mountain top. Obviously, not all of them could fly. Amongst those who could, one grabbed the egg and was now the leader. He turned out to be the worst leader ever. Unfair, cruel, and selfish. So everyone demanded a rematch. They realized that not everyone has the same talent, which makes him all unique in his own way, and that uniqueness demands respect and appreciation. The tallest ones. The tallest dinosaurs were the brachiosaurids. They had such long necks that they could browse off the tallest trees and grab the best fruits. They were all shy and quiet. The difference in height made it difficult for them to make friends with other species. So they quietly munched away, ignored by the rest. One day, while grabbing the fruits from the top of a tall tree, they saw from a distance ferocious meat-eater dinosaurs marching towards a group of young dinosaurs playing near a pond. Immediately, they alerted the parents of the young ones and helped them reach safety. When the meat-eater dinosaurs reached the spot, everyone had gone. They went away in search of the next prey. As everyone watched them leave, they came out of hiding and circled around the brachiosaurids to thank them. The brachiosaurids were delighted, and that day they made their first friends. Kindness over vanity. So far, about 700 different species of dinosaurs are known. Amongst them all, Dinah thought she was the prettiest. One evening, as she walked to the pond to hydrate herself, she came across a group of fat, scaly dinosaurs. She was immediately disgusted at the sight of them. One of them approached her, but she shrieked and ran away. Rushing ahead, Dinah came across a group of large, strong dinosaurs that she deemed fit to keep her company. She warmly approached them, but was insulted and laughed at instead. Dinah was heartbroken and sat there crying, as she cried at being rejected by the ones she wanted She was again approached by the dinosaurs she ran away from. Despite being hurt, one of them moved forward to comfort her. Moved by the gesture, Dinah realized how unimportant looks are and how important kindness is.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.